Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter the redeem codes for your Bingo Blitz game. So let's get started right away. Now if you have already installed the Bingo Blitz game, go ahead and open it up, and after you complete the basic tutorial, you will gain access to the map menu from which you can scroll through the various available levels. Now from this page, if you wish to use any redeem code that you have, then simply tap on the menu icon at the top right corner. Now from the menu page, click on promo code underneath settings and you will be taken into the promo code menu. You can simply type in your redeem code, and after you type in your code, tap on the redeem button and your code will immediately be redeemed and applied to your game. You can do this with any number of redeem codes that you have by simply going into the promo code option. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to redeem your promo code on the Bingo Blitz game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.